In today's video, there are 5 major changes from Social Security that will take effect starting January 1st, 2025. I want to update you so you can keep these in mind and not overlook them. These are changes you won't want to forget. Hello everyone, this is the topic I'll be sharing in this video. The first point I want to mention is, as you know, on October 10th, 2024, Social Security announced that any benefits you're currently receiving will increase by 2.5% next year. This percentage increase will begin in January 2025 and applies to those receiving SSI as well. This means that any benefits you receive will go up by 2.5%. For SSI, the current federal maximum for one person is $943 per month, which will increase to $967 per month next year. For couples, the maximum amount of $1,415 per month will rise to $1,450 per month. And of course, depending on your state, you may also receive additional supplements specific to certain states. Some of you have asked if this 2.5% increase announced by Social Security only applies to those who are already receiving benefits. Meaning, if you're receiving benefits this year, will it increase next year? And if, for example, I'm reaching retirement age but haven't yet filed, will the amount in my record next year also increase by 2.5%? The answer is yes. This 2.5% increase will apply to those who are currently receiving benefits this year and to those who haven't yet filed. Their records will also reflect the increase. The second point I want to mention relates to taxable income for Social Security. This applies only to earned income. If your income is from work and reported on a 1099 form, you are responsible for paying 12.4% in Social Security tax. However, if you are employed and report your income with a W-2, you only pay half, 6.2%. while your employer covers the other 6.2%. Next year, the taxable income threshold for Social Security will be up to $176,100. Only income up to this amount will be subject to Social Security tax. This year, in 2024, the maximum taxable income for Social Security is $168,600, but next year it will increase to $176,100. The third point I want to mention is related to quarters of coverage, or income needed to earn a credit. For example, to qualify for retirement benefits, you must have 40 credits. This year, in 2024, the income required to earn 1 credit is $1,730. Next year, Social Security will increase it to $1,810. The maximum credits you can earn in a year is 4, regardless of how high your income is. This means you need to work for at least 10 years to reach 40 credits to qualify for retirement benefits. So, if you have modest income and aim to earn 4 credits, keep these changes in mind. To get 4 credits this year, you need a total income of $6,920. And next year, to earn 4 credits, your income needs to be $7,240. Only income from work reported on a 1099 form or W-2 counts toward earning these credits. The fourth point I want to discuss is for those who will be receiving Social Security retirement benefits next year, but haven't yet reached their full retirement age. This means if you won't reach your full retirement age in 2025, Social Security will set an earnings limit on your work income. Only earnings from work are subject to this limit, so don't exceed it. If you go over, for every $2 above the limit, your retirement benefit will be reduced by $1. Looking at the figures, this year, the annual limit is set at $22,320, which is $1,860 per month. Next year, in 2025, this will increase to $23,400 annually, or $1,950 per month. So please keep this limit in mind. So don't exceed this limit. If your work income goes over the limit, for every $2 over, your retirement benefit will be reduced by $1. If Social Security isn't aware of your income, you may later receive a letter asking for repayment. This earnings limit applies to those who will not reach their full retirement age next year. If you will reach full retirement age next year, for example, from the beginning of the year until May, June, July, or August, you'll still be considered at an early retirement age. But from that point onward, you'll reach your full retirement age. This means that part of the year you're still under early retirement, and then you move to full retirement. In the year you reach full retirement age, the earnings limit is higher. For this year, Social Security set the limit at $59,520 annually, equivalent to $4,960 per month. Next year, it will increase to $62,160 annually, or $5,180 per month. Additionally, this limit only applies to the months before you reach full retirement age. The month you reach full retirement age onward, there's no earnings limit. Keep in mind that if your income exceeds these limits, for every $3 over, your retirement benefit will be reduced $1. The fifth point I want to mention relates to those receiving disability benefits through the SSDI program. If you're receiving disability benefits through SSDI, Social Security sets an earnings limit on your work income as well. They use the term substantial gainful activity, or SGA, to set these limits. For 2024, if you're receiving disability benefits not related to blindness, Social Security limits your monthly earnings to $1,550. Next year, this will increase to $1,620 per month. For those receiving disability benefits due to blindness, the limit is higher, $2,590 per month this year, increasing to $2,700 per month next year. Keep this SSDI limit in mind, as there's no partial reduction. If your work income reported on a 1099 or W-2 form exceeds these limits, you will lose your entire monthly benefit, rather than just seeing a reduction like with retirement benefits. Okay, everyone, those are the 5 major changes I wanted to share with you in this video. So anyone who may be affected by these rules, effective starting January 1st, 2025, can have some additional information. I'll see you again in future videos. If you find this video helpful, please share, like, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you in future videos. Thank you very much, and goodbye.